Sosos Real. This weekend's project is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna be doing like a blog style kind of video. This is real life and I need to get my flower bed updated. My house is looking kind of like an abandoned house right now, and I just wanna go ahead and take out all the weeds and add new mulch and spruce it up. I'm showing you how I do this quick, easy update to my flower bed. It's gonna be the video for this weekend. I hope you guys enjoy it. Stick around. I have a lot of more intricate DIYs and projects. Like I said, this is real life, this is Sosos Real, and I need to do this. Okay, first thing now we're gonna start doing is just taking out all of these little beautiful weeds. I have my gloves here and I'm just gonna go ahead and like take out all of that. I'm gonna try to like save some of my older mulch. We have rubber mulch and we have invested on this. We really like how it keeps up. So I'm gonna try to save some of that. The plan is to try to go ahead and pull it all in one side, take out all the weeds, put the dark in that one, and then put the new mulch in top of the other one so it will look fresh. But yeah, that's how I try to save a little bit of that. Let's just start doing this. Huh? Okay, we did that and now I'm gonna start putting some new mulch. Exciting. Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna start putting our mulch in. This is a kind that I buy. I have bought this kind for many years. Got it on my first house. One of my neighbors recommended, and then ever since we haven't gone back to the wood one. The wood one just get this color so quickly and it doesn't last. This one lasts forever, so that's pretty much why you're seeing me like kind of like recycling the old one to put it like as a base, because this one is expensive but it's totally worth it. I really like it. It's 100% recycled rubber, helps you know, to keep it year round instead of like changing it like twice a year. It has a lot of coverage. It do not attract any damaging insects like termites. The other day we have our guy from termites and insects doing an inspection and he was so proud of us because we have like rubber mulch, so that's a plus. I totally recommend that. We have bought it. It's an investment. It's not cheap, but it's totally worth it. We bought it on like the brown, Mocha Brown color, and we really like it, how it looks. So I'm gonna start putting this part here so we can go then to that one is gonna be interesting, but let's do this.
6 hours later.
That was something, huh? We are done, and I am so happy that I am done. Like, this was one of those projects that is like, you know, you don't want to do it, but you need to do it because you gotta look good. But at the same time, it's like, oh my goodness, it's so much work. But yeah, this was like my update to my flower bed. We didn't plant any flowers because I am not about that life. I cannot keep up with them, so we just have like a couple of bushes and like pretty much, and that's it. Something very low maintenance and looks, you know, good. And I am done. I'm so happy. Like, now I just say cheers. I deserve it. I lost my freaking bag today, and I did a split while I was charging my camera on my iPhone, so I didn't record it. That's awesome that you guys like that kind of vlog video and that you guys can get some motivation. My husband got here. Of course, now that I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and come back next week to watch the next video. Cheers. See ya.